Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today I'm going to show you how we made our stone garden bed. So 2 years ago, when we built and renovated our barn space, we left this space in front of it. It was an eyesore, but we didn't really know what to do with it. This summer, I wanted to completely transform this space, and I had this dream and vision in my head of English garden beds with flowers overflowing from them. So in May, Kevin and I built this stone garden bed and this retaining wall. It took us about 2 weekends to do it. He has a normal person job during the week, and he can't help during the week, so we can only work on weekends. But we got it done. I'm so proud of actually the fact that we got it done. We are not master masons, we're not even novice masons, but with some teamwork, we did it, and we did it together, and I think it looks great. Based on what it looked like before, this space is now a huge, huge improvement, and it looks beautiful when guests are pulling up to our property now. So I'm gonna show you guys how we built this stone garden bed, and I hope that you love it too. Let's get started. First, we had to level the space, and for us, that was no easy task. When we finished the barn construction 2 years ago, we really let this space go. A bunch of mulch was dumped here, and then new grass grew through it, and it was really just a big mess. Once we leveled the space, we had to level each stone individually. We used a string that we had leveled to do this with some posts on each end. The stone I picked was tumbled limestone, and while I really loved it, each piece was a different size, a different shape, different height, a different length. If I were to do this again, I would probably pick different stone. In fact, there is stone at Lowe's that has a similar look, but it's all uniform in size. It would have been much easier to work with. We had the same issue all the way up, making sure each stone was level each time. Because we are not master masons and newbies when it comes to cutting stone, we really tried to find stones of similar height for each row. If we had to trim, it was easier to trim the length of a stone versus the height. Originally, we had wanted to build 2 beds, but once we got one built, we decided we didn't want to make a second one. Instead, we wanted to make a place for people to sit. The kids ride their bikes on the driveway and they play out here, so we thought it would be nice to have a place to sit and watch them. We built a little retaining wall since the ground is rather sloped in this spot, and then made it look pretty with potted flowers and a bench. After the stone bed was filled with dirt, I added low maintenance annual flowers and some herbs. I really love the way flowers and herbs look when they're planted together. I think it has more of a natural, beautiful look. In the fall, I'll plant this bed with bulbs so we can have beautiful tulips here first thing in the spring. And this fall, I think this space will look so pretty with a lot of pumpkins filling it up. Thank you all so much for following along today. I hope you loved this video of our DIY stone garden bed. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And you can find a full blog post on our stone garden bed on the website at sugarmaplefarmhouse.com. I'll leave a link in the description for you below. And as always, please remember to subscribe to our channel so you can follow along with everything we're doing here at Sugar Maple Farmhouse. Thanks so much, everyone.